miss with King Yella, man. Got another one, man. To send my condolences out, man. Sauce Deuce 5, man. My little nigga, man. 80 block, man. Lil Lord. Lil Lord was killed yesterday, man. The crazy part was fucking me up is Skeezy, I was just on FaceTime with him and Sauce go on yesterday, the Mother's Day. He just up. You know, I got diamonds all on my teeth on the block. 1200. 5 to 7 minutes later, phone call. Good, they just shot Lil Lord. That shit crazy, man. Like, you can lose a motherfucker that fast, man. And being in the rack, man. And another thing, this Sauce Walker's little cousin. You feel me? And people from my block, you know, Houston, to Chirac. But, yeah, man, I watched that little nigga grow up as a kid, man. I know his pops, everything, man. That's why I be telling motherfuckers, y'all gotta change up the scenery, do something different, man. Them little niggas be in Houston, ain't no need to be posted back on the block. I understand motherfuckers got what they got going on, but you know we living that life where it can happen at any second, you feel me? So, I don't know, man, this one hit. It hurt, man, because I watched that little nigga all his life. Talking about a baby. Before he was Deuce 5, little babies, you feel me? So, you know, I'm gonna send my, my heart out, my condolences. Sauce Walker, keep your head up. Sauce Gohan, keep your head up. Everybody on the block, Lil Lord and them, all the Lords, keep y'all head up, man. Motherfucker gotta do something different, man. That shit crazy. Especially when you just talk to a nigga, FaceTime, like I'm on FaceTime with him. Big bro, what's happening? Up on me. Next thing you know, he gone, man. Like, that shit lame as fuck to me, bro. This shit gotta stop, though, man. R.I.P. with Deuce 5, man. 1200, 1300, 730, 8 for life. I know what's going on. King Yella, man.
Peace and love, family. You are tuned back in once again to Truth Knows No Bounds TV. I am your host. Shout out to King Yella, man. It's imperative that we start to give people their roses while they're still here. As we see with the Kevin Samuels, people can be up and gone in the blink of an eye. So shout out to King Yella. We have a lot of people that have, these crazy outlooks on, gangs and what they do. And, you have some people that even say that, gang members or gangs can't give anything positive to the community, even though this is what it started out as. And some of us did get lost along the way. The reason why I chose King Yella to speak about this afternoon is because he's an individual, gang involved just like me. So I understand his stance. He went through the struggle, came back out on top. He could have came home, got out, got on some goofy shit, just like everybody else, but he stayed the course and he's doing big things now. You feel me? So that goes to show you that you need individuals with the right mindset. It's not what you do, it's how you do what it is you're doing. That sets the mold for everything that's going on. So shout out to him, and condolences to Sauce Walker's family, man. But also, again, I wanted to leave another message, man. We got to stop the violence, bro. We got to stop the violence. Those of us that's in positions, where we can be influences such as King Yella, you feel me? We got to push that message, which he is doing. Shout out to you. You feel me? It's more out here. Like he said, bro, we got to switch up the scenery, bro. Like, got to switch up the scenery. I know how this feels. I have homies that went out like that. Just spoke to him on the phone. 20, 30 minutes later, I'm getting a call about how, they're no longer here with us. So, we got to work on those things, y'all. We got to start loving each other, man, supporting each other, man. Stop the killing, bro. You feel me? Stop the killing. I do what it is that I do, but I don't move in that manner. You feel me? I do not administer violence unless it's necessary, bro. I do not preach it. I do not proclaim it. I do not support it unless you have to in order to defend yourself, your property, your loved ones. You're fine. You have to do what you got to do. You feel me? But it's getting out of control, bro. It's just, I don't know when we're going to look at each other and say, yo, enough is enough. Enough is enough. This is not known. But once again, man, you tune into Truth Knows No Bounds TV, man. Stay locked in for more content, man. We got a lot of shit coming on the way. It's good to see y'all once again, man. Look, man, value your life, bro. It could be going in the Blink of an eye, man. Peace, love, and light. Salute to y'all great ones, man. Peace.